Arnav Electrotech. Please hit the subscribe button and then click on the bell icon to receive notification. Hello my friends, I am Arnav from my channel Arnav Electrotech. Welcome to everyone. So today I will going to show you how to change this indicator light instead of this indicator light of soldering iron. I set a LED light instead of this indicator light because this current consumption rate is very high and proportionally the current consumption rate of LED is very low. And first of all I will show you, this is the indicator light. You are looking that, and instead of this I will set a LED any color. Let's go how to arrange this. And first of all you have to open the circuit, the soldering iron, and then I have to open all the joints. The LEDs, got the indicator lights, and the wire is open now. And then join this 100k resistor with the minus leg of LED and this 19407 diode with the plus end of the LED, this way. Join it like this way. This is the negative lead and this is the positive lead. This negative portion will connect to the negative lead, and then this is the time to join with the soldering iron. Now we have to join this LED diode position with the diode leg join with the positive position and the resistor leg join with the negative position, the main lead, and then we have to I will assemble it like before. screws here. And this is complete like this, and now that I will test it. Oh, this is glowing. This is glowing like this. You are looking at this is glowing, and I hope it will work properly. And now I have to wait for a minute. What is the final result? And this is Rojon. It is melting. You are looking that it is melting. That's mean it getting hot. It's melting, and then you are looking that it is also melting the round. Okay friends, please like my video and share my video. Thank you for watching.